Hello and welcome to the session on averages. This is brought to you by Anda Ka Funda. Let us look at the three basic parts of averages, which is the mean, the median and the mode. Suppose I am given a data set which is 20, 30, 40, 10 and 10 and I am asked to find out the average of the group. The average in most cases is nothing else but the mean of the group, which is given by the sum of the individual values, that is x1 plus x2 plus x3 till xn by n, which in this particular case would come out as 20 plus 30 50 plus 40 which is 90 plus 10 which is 100 plus 10 110 by 5 values, which comes out as 22. The mode is nothing else but the value which occurs the maximum number of times. As you can see in the data set, 10 is occurring the maximum number of times, which means the mode is 10. And finally, the median. The median is obtained if I arrange them in an increasing or a decreasing order, as you can see that I have done here. After doing that, if I look at the middle value, there are 5 such values here. The middle value will be the third value, that is 20, and that would be the median in this case. What will happen if I add, let's say, one more value to it? Say I add another value 20 to this group. What would happen then? The mean from 110, the sum will go up to 130 and the total number of objects will go up to 6. So the median in that case will be 130 by 6, which comes out as 20 would mean 120, 10 would mean 21.66. The mode. Right now there are 2 values which is 10 and there are 2 values which are 20. So this particular thing will have 2 modes, 10 and 20, as both of them occur twice. The median. Since I have added one more value to the group, and if I arrange them in an increasing order, it would be 10, 10, 20, 20, 30 and 40. So now which one is the middle value? As you can see, after arranging them, there is no such thing as a middle value because there is no such thing as a middle term. However, I have 2 middle terms here, both of them are 20, 20. The median still stays at 20. What if there were 2 values, one was 20 and one was 30? Then what would have happened is, the median will not be just 20 or just 30, but it would be 20 plus 30 by 2, which means 25. Another important case in case of averages is the case of weighted mean. Let's say I am given a particular data set in which x1 occurs f1 times, x2 occurs f2 times and xn occurs fn times. Essentially, f1, f2, f3, fn are the frequencies of occurrence of x1, x2 and xn. The average of the group, the weighted average of the group, the mean of the group, the weighted mean of the group will be given by f1, x1 plus f1, f2, x2 plus f3, x3 till fn, xn divided by f1 plus f2 plus f3 till fn. Let us look at it with an example. Say the total number of students in my class is 30. 6 of them are 20-year-old, 8 of them are 21-year-old, 10 of them are 22-year-old and 6 of them are 23-year-old. I have to find out the average age of the group. How can I do that? I would do 6 into 20 plus 8 into 21 plus 10 into 22 plus 6 into 23. So the total number of years would come out as 646. Total number of students will be 6 plus 8, 14 plus 10, 24 plus 6, which is 30, as you can see here. The average age will be the total sum of the years plus the number of students divided by the number of students, which is 30, which comes out as 21.53. Now, what would happen to the average age if a new guy joins in? Depends. Depends on the fact on what is the age of the new guy. If he is 22 years old or 23 years old, which is more than the average, then the average age will go up. If he is younger than the average, let's say he is 20 or 21 year old, then the average will go down. How will I find that out? Say the current average is 21.53. The new guy who joins is X years old. Then the new average will be 21.53 plus x is his age, and that will be divided by the new number of students, which is 31.
That wraps up the session on averages. Please stay tuned at Handa Ka Funda to watch other videos on other chapters. Thank you.